The instance builder is a shortcut builder. If you finished your instance, you can create many instances you want. If you finish your instance, you will get the shortcut, which you can copy here, or the PHP code. And you can see here if it's a default instance or not. Let's start changing this instance or build a new instance. Is the same. If you make this instance default, you can remember in the general settings tab, if you replace the WordPress search form, the WordPress search form will be replaced by the default instance. We have the search input style label on left with this label here, a plain without any label. Here, by the way, this is a full functionally preview only. And we have an underlined style with an underline. All the colors and some styles can be changed here at bottom. Color builder. But later I will show you though. Let's use the plain version. Search input display style. We have four options. Normal on position, icon only, text only, and text and icon. Normal on position is this. It will use the full wide office space and it's the default search input. Icon only means if we select icon only, you will get more options: slide to left, slide to right, in window center. This is only an icon, slide to left. If I click on it, it will open slide and close slide. Here. Text only. Here you can change the text. Text and icon. Say text and icon, okay. And slide to left, slide to right. And Windows Center. This is a little difficult to show it in the preview. Let's save the instance and I will show you here. If I click on it, you see I will get a search input field with an overlay. This is good for mobile devices. If you have a mobile menu, you can insert the search instance in your menu. Later, I will show you how to insert an instance in the menu or in the sidebar. Or let's say no. Let me show it here right now. Here I want here a menu, an instance. Come back here. Products. Well, appearance. Menus. I have an iSearch menu option. En instance because I have created only this instance. If I should create more, I will get all the instances here. Add to menu. Now I can see it here. Save the menu. Refresh the page. You see, I will get here this instance. I have here no space in this menu, but if your template has enough space, or if your template have different menus for different styles or different mobile menu, this option is very good. If I click on it, I will get the input field as an overlay here. Or if I change not Windows Center, slide to left, here updated, refresh the page, here you see the slide to left. Okay, if you have here not enough space, you should really think about to deactivate some tabs. slide to left, slide to right, window center. I showed you, but I will go on with the default normal on position. We have the spinner style. You can show hide the spinner, the loading spinner. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 styles. We show you style 2, style 1. We have the input placeholder. This is the placeholder. Type here to search. If you click on it, and it will focus, and if you start typing, you can change the placeholder text. Search, oh sorry, search. We'll see here search. We have a placeholder advertising. This is very interesting. Here let's say today 50% off. You say today 50% off, and if we click on it, the placeholder text will appear. If we focus the placeholder text, we can add more advertising. Shop now. It will select randomly. See, let's say remove it or leave one. Enable the submit button. Here you can disable it. Now let's remove the advertising. Minimum number of characters to start searching. I have entered 1 for demo purpose, but 3 is also a good option. See, nothing happens. Let's start the 1. Suggestions template. We have 2 templates. One clean template, one advanced template. This is the clean template, and this is the advanced template. The advanced template is good for WooCommerce products. We have a template color scheme. We have a dark color scheme. It's a predefined height of the suggestions container. It will automatic calculation means it will calculate automatically the height. Let's save it to show you. If I now, you see the height is automatically calculated. If I change the window height, it will be changed also. Maximum means you have the maximum height without scroll bars. Here, for example, you see maximum height of the results. And custom value, you can enter a custom value. Let's say let's let it on automatic calculations. Suggestions white. We have 2 options: full white and input white. To show you it better, I will enable label on left and the submit button. If I now select input white, here you see the suggestions white, container white is based on the input field only. Container offset. Let's say we want to 20 pixel gap between the container and the input field. Here you see these are now 20 pixels. Let's back to 0. Suggestions orientation, auto, top or bottom. Auto means if it have place on the bottom, it will choose to bottom orientation first. But if it don't have place, you see, it will choose the top orientation. This is good if you have search inputs on the bottom of your website. You can set it manually to top or bottom. Maximum number of results. Here, as I said, I want only 5 numbers of results. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Search limitation. You have here the tabs which you have set in the settings. Here, if you want to add more tabs, you have to set it here. You can now limit the tabs. For example, if I don't want this instance only, if I don't want this instance search for posts and products and categories, I want to this instance search for movies and actors only. You see, I have only movies and actors. I can also say movies, don't show the image for movies. Show title only. And you see the excerpt here is only one line. If I say excerpt multi-lines, you see I can set the max words, not characters. Here, 10 words. You see? I can set it for individual tabs. And I can change the order of the tabs. For example, here I have movies and actors as first. Yeah. But I want the actors at the first place and movies at the second place. You see now actors and movies. I can also disable the tabs. If I disable the tabs, I get one more option, enable post divider. Here, now I have a divider here, movies, actors, show more results. I can also disable this divider. I have all the results in one list only. Enable logging. I can set the logging for every single instance. Enable logging for popularity index. The popularity index is if someone clicks on the suggestion, on the result, iSearch will log this index, log the popularity. Let me show you what I mean. If I search for anything which is not present, I get no result. Because I have no popularity index yet present. Search for Jackie. I click Kung Fu Panda. Now Kung Fu Panda have a popularity index. I'm searching for James, the Green Mile. James have an actor. The Green Mile have an actor. It's beginning with James. So if I now search for any word which is have no results, you see nothing found. Popular searches, Green Mile and Kung Fu Panda. Let's say I will search for the notebook and come back. You see the notebook, the Green Mile, Kung Fu Panda. Results Aura. By click popularity, by title, by latest post, or randomly. By click popularity, if I search for James, I have the Green Mile, the notebook. If I switch back, search for James, I click the notebook. The notebook should now have a popularity index of 2. And you see, notebook is on the first place now. The results will be ordered by the popularity index, by title or latest post, or randomly. Show no result string. Yes, if we don't have the popularity index and no results, a no result string will be showing. And the label you can change. Show did you mean? What is this? Search here. I could not found any. Now come back to search analysis. I could not found any. Edit and the did you mean string. The Green Mile. Here, did you mean the Green Mile? Let's come back, refresh the page. I could not. You see, did you mean the Green Mile? If I click on it, the Green Mile will show. You can disable it. Yeah. You will get the popularity searches. You can disable the popularity searches too. You'll see no results. You can disable the no result too. I could. No, nothing happens. Let's enable it. Enable it. These are the labels. Show more results button. Here. More results. I say load more instead of more results. Enable continuous scrolling. You see the button will appear and automatically load the rest. Here for actors. If I scroll down, it will load the rest automatically. I will disable it. We have the custom CSS. We can enter a custom CSS. The custom CSS will appear only for this instance. We have a color style builder, so we can set the input high. Let's say I wanted 30 pixels in high. You will see here, but here I have to click to update the preview. You see, it's smaller. Let's say 40. Input outer border radius. Here, this radius, say 4 pixels. Click to update the preview. You see the radius. Oh no, for not so visible, let's say I want 10 pixels for demo only. You see. Input wrapper min white. Let's assume you have, switch back to, let's assume you have here normal position, text and icon, slide to left. Yes. Update the instance. You see here, it doesn't have much space because iSearch don't know how wide I can use. So you can set here the min wide. I have to enter for, let's assume I say 400. I have to enter percent or pixel, px. Update the instance. Let's see, reload the page. You see, now I have 4 pixels in white. You have here so many options that I cannot explain every single option. You have to try it out. You can change the color and you can change the alpha, the transparency of a color. But I will show you how to create a cool menu instance. Underlined, normal on position, disable submit button, you see in the menu. Here, let's say I have here disable the tabs, enable post type divider. Let's say I want to preview the background color. The white, say to 50%. Here I have to change the input color. Input left label color, no. Placeholder text color, yes. Placeholder text color should be white. Search input text color also should be white. Yes, you see, I have to change the clear icon color, clear button color. Okay. I don't want to underline here. Where is it? Where is it? Underline color. Disable underline. Okay. Let's update the instance. Here you see in the menu, I have a search instance in the menu. But I want the text to be aligned centrally. Now, how to do it? You need to a little bit CSS coding experience, skills, input type, text align. Oh, sorry. Yes, that's it. Text align center. Let's copy this and add it here. Let's remove this. Okay, now it's aligned centrally. Yeah, yes.